Hello, my people. My name is Instructor Alison, the Math and Science Tutor for Pidgin English. For this particular video now, JAMB 2026, my target now to make sure they score 300 above. I want to achieve that one. When we say get 2 months, we remain for JAMB. The best thing we will do now is to make sure they learn all the shortcuts we go know for math, physics, chemistry. Now, me go bring them for you. Join my Telegram channel now. I'm in my Telegram group, private group. Class done the on. You will see the flyer, the amount, everything. Now make you solve this particular question. It says physics question. I make it a score 13 for physics, 20, 50. Instead of you score all this thing. It asks the question plenty. How I want to take do now? The shortcut I go on. Instead of me to talk about perfectly inelastic collision, when they talk BB grammar for where we carry solve this one normally now, which you suppose use. And when they say the momentum conserved, when they quote formula say M1U1 plus M2 U2. You're supposed to see this formula now equal to M1 plus M2 times V. Come begin to bring out the parameters so they are come begin to find what you want to find. Instead of you to try that one, use this shortcut I want to show you. First thing first, know what to be momentum. What to be momentum? Symbol for momentum appear. What to be momentum? Now the product of mass times velocity. That be momentum. So now divide momentum by the total mass. By total mass. Now be the shortcut what they give you. Total mass where they give you for the question. Now, what will be the momentum now? See, mass now 2 kg times velocity now 6 divided by total mass. Now be this 2 kg plus 4 kg. Where they inside this question where they give you 2 plus 4. Now, my people, what will be 2 times 6? Should be now 12 divided by what will be 2 times 4? 2 plus 4 now 6. If you divide 12 by 6, it will give you 2. 2 waiting say common velocity. Velocity and meter per second. Meter per second. Now be the final answer. See shortcut what carry get this in without following all this formula. Then you can see no one join my class. First thing you will do now, hit the subscribe button for this YouTube channel. Follow me for all my social media platforms because I drop update back to back, short video, long video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload new video, you receive notification. And make sure you share this particular video. If you know share, I will drop another shortcut for you. Now the truth be that. Drop for comment section if you know say this one sweet. Make I drop another one, I will drop them. I will live for you. Or now be that. Make sure you go join my Telegram channel where they teach. 100 level I they teach. YEC I they teach. JAMB I they teach. Everybody join.